can be very fatal. The disease will spread.
This is just terrible. But it has to be done for the better.
Unfortunately, you're right. Well, your thumb is gone now, but it'll be fine. Like I said before, the diabetes is causing your immune system to attack the insulin cells. So I'm going to have to give you a prescription of insulin. Because without those cells, everything in your body will go wrong. We're going to lose more fingers. I'm sorry.
Shaking my head.
Hey, how did your appointment go?
Does this answer your question?
Whoa, why'd they do that?
My diabetes was affecting my immune system. It was weakening the reaction time to fight off infections. So the result, they had to cut off my thumb before the infection spread even further.
It's pretty harsh.
Yeah, but at least I'll get to live. Hey, can you get this for me?
Sure.
No. It's just, I need to inject it. Just please, set it up.
What's this for?
Well, you see, my body isn't producing enough insulin, so I have to take a big dosage now. It helps my body break down the food so I can digest it.
So you need this big of a dosage?
Before, no, but I do now because since my immune system is pretty bad right now, at the moment. Wait, let's take a look here first. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, like I was saying, my pancreas's insulin cells are just dying, so I need a bigger dosage now. Oh gosh, I feel like crap.
Why? What's wrong with you?
I don't know, man. I think I have the flu.
That sucks. Hey, did you lose weight the last time I saw you? You look way skinnier than before.
I don't think so. Oh my gosh, my head hurts so much and I'm so tired. I have this stupid cough too.
Hey Anthony, how's it going?
I'm doing great. What about you?
Doing fantastic.
Wait, really?
Of course. Why?
I could have sworn you were dying from being sick like what, 3 days ago?
Well, I guess it just mysteriously healed. I mean, it probably just was like a flu-like symptom.
Yeah, but flus don't usually heal in a matter of days.
Well, you know what they say, Anthony? The universe works in mysterious ways.
Hey, Christian. Whoa, you look like death.
I know I did. I guess the flu came back.
This doesn't seem normal.
Ow!
Wait, what happened?
It just hurts to swallow. Everything hurts in general, and I've been having huge headaches all day long.
Oh, well.
Continue.
I was just gonna say that this doesn't seem right. I mean, you had flu-like symptoms before, now they get better, and then now it comes back 10 times worse. I have an idea of what you have, but it's kind of hard to say.
Tell me.
Okay, just answer for this truthfully. Have you had sexual intercourse in the past 2 to 3 weeks?
Yes, I have.
Did you use protection?
No.
Christian, you're supposed to no matter the circumstances. Is she STD free and are you?
Well, I asked her, and she says she was clean, and I'm positive I am too.
You just can't believe whatever she says. Gosh, I can't believe I'm saying this. But Christian, I think you have AIDS.
Fine, I'll just get myself checked out at the doctors, but it won't matter. They're gonna give me stupid medicine that won't work anyway.
You just can't think like that, Christian. You even know how serious AIDS is? From the look of it, you don't even have HIV anymore. It's turned to full-blown AIDS. This is really serious. You already have problems with your immune system. Now it's just gonna get worse. AIDS is an immune system killer. All your lymphocytes are gonna get destroyed and your body won't be able to fight off infections. You don't wanna believe me? Here, let's look up some pictures of people with AIDS.
Yuck! Oh my goodness, I'm getting myself checked out right away.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Christian, Christian, Christian.
What is it, doctor? Do I have AIDS?
Unfortunately, yes.
This can't be real.
Well, it's the truth, and you have to face the truth. I'm guessing you acquired this from sexual intercourse. Am I right?
Yes.
Well, it already looks like your immune system was damaged before. And combined with diabetes and HIV, this led to AIDS, or also known as acquired immune deficiency syndrome.
My life is over.
That way, Christian. Your T cell count is below 200 cells per cubic millimeter of blood, which means you have stage 4 HIV. I prescribe 2 things that are going to help make everything better. So, first, this is an oral pill, and it's called Atriplia. It's going to help. And I heard you requested a higher dosage of insulin, so here you go. This one's XCOM. Both of these will help reduce the disease. Okay, you can take them with or without food. Not picky at all. Okay? So will you be good?
Yes, thank you, doctor.
Yeah, no. Just some bad news before you leave, Christian. Sorry to say this, but you know how your immune system is very important to your body? It's deteriorating, dog. I'm giving you 6 months at most to live.
6 months.
6. I don't know what you're gonna do with those 6 months, but if you want to make them count, make sure you take those pills.
Hey, Anthony.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm doing great. Did you go to Josh's party?
No, why? Was it fun?
The most turn-up party I've been to in weeks. Got so wasted I threw up in the bushes.
Wait, you drank?
Of course I did. I also smoked cigarettes and tried cocaine for the first time.
Whoa. Wait, are you serious?
Yeah, why?
Well, those are really bad for you.
Yeah, I've heard it all, Anthony.
Wait, but Christian, you just can't think like that. I mean, tobacco is horrendous to your body. Don't you know they have over 4,000 chemicals like tar and carbon monoxide?
Yeah, I know, but it doesn't seem to be affecting my body in any bad ways.
Well, of course not, since you tried it like a while ago, but trust and believe me, drugs and alcohol will be the death of you,
Anthony,
Christian.
you want to see a trick?
Sure.
Record time.
Are you crazy? Don't you feel sick after doing all of this stuff?
Well, after a couple weeks, I've been feeling kind of weird, but... Well, my breath's been pretty weird lately. I can't breathe.
Have you been feeling sick at all, or feel like you've been prone to diseases?
Yeah, I think it might be affecting my immune system.
Probably so. I bet if you went to a doctor, they would tell you the same thing.
Dude, I'm not going to any doctor. They're going to tell my parents and they'll kill me.
Well, I'd advise you to stop doing those things, and maybe you'll get better.
Okay, I'll try. It's really stressing me out. No, I promised Anthony I wouldn't do it anymore. Well, let's be reasonable. If I smoke too much, I get shortness of breath and I start coughing, so I'll just inhale a little. If I snort too much coke, then I get headaches, and it irritates my nose a lot. So I'll just snort a little. And alcohol only gets me drunk when I take a lot, so I'll take a couple sips. I feel terrible.
Yeah, you look like it. What's wrong with you?
Well, lately I've just been feeling tired, weak, and has lots of nausea. Plus my hair is falling out. Do you happen to have any water?
No? Why?
I don't know, I'm just really thirsty.
Why are you so dehydrated?
I don't know.
That sucks. What do you think caused this?
Well,
Don't tell me you've been doing all those things again.
I have been, Anthony, but just small doses and amounts.
Are you serious, Christian? How small dosages of them?
Well, those small doses actually turned out to be pretty big. I've been drinking 2 bottles of vodka a day, been smoking 5 cigarettes a day, and just had a little bit of cocaine, I swear.
It doesn't matter about the dosage, no matter how big or small it is, it's still bad for you. I mean, you're 15 years old and you're already drinking 2 bottles a day, and you're smoking way more than an adult should. Plus, you're doing cocaine, which, I mean, you could overdose from. Oh, Christian.
I know, Anthony. I'm just tired all the time, and I have shortness of breath constantly. Plus, I got a cut about a week ago, and it's infected.
That sounds like an immune system problem, but I'm pretty sure it is. Your immune system should have healed that thing a while back ago.
And I've also been feeling lots of abdominal pain.
Where?
Right here.
That's where your liver is. No wonder why. You've been drinking all the dang time. Now your liver has to face the consequences. But your immune system should have at least fought back the infections for a while, and you're barely feeling it. I sense something's wrong.
And I just feel really weak.
Like, Christian, someone call 911.
Where am I?
You're at the doctor's office, Christian. Dr. Lopez.
Well, Dr. Lopez, why am I here?
You seem to have passed out during school.
That's weird.
Very. Seems as though you were very low on protein, which caused you to faint.
That's crazy.
It really is. You want to know what's even crazier? Is your consumption of illegal substances.
Oh, great.
Yes, I took some blood from you while you were fainted, and I found some pretty hardcore stuff. High levels of alcohol in your blood, cocaine traces, tobacco. Christian, tell me what's going on.
Well, you see, doctor, a while back ago, I went to this really tubular party. And at that party, I started smoking, drinking, and started doing cocaine.
Such a shame, Christian, such a shame. You know these things are very bad for you. Do you know how these have affected your system?
No, how?
Where should we start? Let's start off with your alcohol problem. I found such high levels of alcohol in your system, Christian. It surprised me so much. It seems to have damaged your liver, and it seems as though it even damaged your immune system pretty bad, but we'll get off to that later on. However, your liver is pretty damaged. Now, may I ask you, have you been feeling pain where your liver is located?
Yes, I've been feeling pain.
No wonder why. It even says that your liver isn't able to fight off infections, which your immune system helps it with. And I'm pretty surprised that your skin color hasn't faded to a yellowish color, mainly because people with liver damage tend to get discoloring of the skin.
Wow, that's disgusting.
Pretty much. Now, off to your tobacco problem.
Oh, gosh.
That high breath you just did, that's because of the tobacco, Christian. Want to know why?
Why?
Well, as you know, tobacco and cigarettes have very high levels of dangerous chemicals in it. 4,000 to be exact. Crazy, right? But one of the most used is carbon monoxide, a deadly gas found in cars. So terrible. But it seems as though you smoke so much that the carbon monoxide has entered your bloodstream and has killed off red blood cells, aka phagocytes. And you want to know what those red blood cells do? They carry oxygen. So that's why you've been feeling so much breathless all the time. It's because your red blood cells are getting decreased by the carbon monoxide. Surprising, right?
Just kill me now.
And that's what's going to happen if you keep on doing cocaine. Cocaine, even though it's a small dosage, is still very dangerous, Christian, especially for your age. It seems to make you more prone to diseases and infections. I found that very common in your system. Christian, you're lucky you did not overdose.
Well, there goes my immune system. How will I fight off infections now?
Well, you could always quit, but